Prem Subalo Mahapati Mahadeva ki Jai. Sitaram, everybody. Sitaram, everybody online. Welcome to our satsang. Tonight, as we continue in our discourse for this Ganesh Utsav 2025, we have been reading from different texts in this Gyan Yagya, explaining different aspects of Ganesh Baba, the reasoning, the things we offer and why. And as we get set to do our ninth night of reading, night, let's begin firstly with Arti. Everybody, let's all stand. Om. Auntie Shirley, Gajananam Bhutaganaadisevitam Kapet Jambu Palachar Bhakshitam Umasutam Sho Kavinashkarakam Namami Viganeshwara Parpankajam. Let's sing together as we wave the light.
Jai Jai Ganapati, Jai Ganapati, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganapati, Jai Jai Ganapati, Jai Ganapati, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganapati, Jai Jai Ganapati Vigna Vinashana Hare, Ganapati Vigna Vinashana Hare, Ganapati Vigna Vinashana Hare, Ganapati Vigna Vinashana Hare, Jai Jai Ganapati Om, Jai Ganapati Om, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganapati जय जय गणेश जय गणपति जय 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 गणेश जय गणपति जय जय
गौरी गणेश उमा महेश पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश गौरी गणेश उमा महेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा महेश पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा महेश पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
Om. Together, everybody. Gajananam. Kapeta Jambu. Palchar Bhakshitam. Umasutam Sho.
कविनाशकारकं
Namami Veganeshwara
पारपङ्कजं
Sarvamangalamangaliye
शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके
Sharanye
त्र्यम्बिके गौरी
Narayani
नमोऽस्तु ते
Gurur Brahma
गुरुर्विष्णु
Gurur Devo
महेश्वरा
Gurur Sakshat
परं ब्रह्मा
Tasmai Shri
गुरुवे नमः
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudev. Let's go again. Om Namo Vasudev. One last time. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudev. Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki Jai. Devotees, please have your seat. Again, cordial welcome on behalf of all the members here at the Ramakrishna Mandir in Mohes Road, Penal, Trinidad. Tonight is the day, well, on this day in the Patra is when Lord Vishnu takes the form of the dwarf. People have been doing puja throughout this world in different ways, emulating this, just as how we celebrate Krishna Janam, Ram Janam. People did that same kind of prayer today with Lord Vishnu in this form. However, sometimes we don't know the reasoning or we know he takes 3 steps, we know that. But why, what is the blessing, etc. Sometimes we lose that. Before we go into our discourse tonight, let's sing a little bit to Mother, to encourage a little chanting. Tonight, remember, Ganesh Utsav is a celebration. So in it, you have different things get blessings on different night. For example, on the first day and on the last day, the Baba blesses the Ganta. So that from this year to next year, when the person hit the Ganta, the energy is purified wherever it reverberates. The bell, the song, this puja is done for it as well. You'll see how we'll do it on the last night. On a night like tonight, people go and they make sure and ask Baba, we want to get Raksha Sutra on our hand, as you will hear the mantra. Till today still talks about one of the characters in our Katha, Raj Bali. In it, when the person is getting blessings and protection, they ask the goddess, Ganesh Baba is working, he is using his Shakti, and he is blessing you and I. A little chant here before we go further. Janani, Janani, Satya Sai Shubha Janani, 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 Satya Sai Shubha Janani. Jagakarani Paripurani Saishwari Janani, Jagakarani Paripurani Saishwari Janani, Satya Swarupini Janani, Dharma Samrakshini Janani, Satya Swarupini Janani, Dharma Samrakshini Janani, 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 Satya Sai Shubha Janani, 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 Satya Sai Shubha Janani, Shanta Swarupini Janani, Prema Pradayini Janani, Shanta Swarupini Janani, Prema Swarupini Janani, 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 Satya Sai Shubha Janani, Jagakarani Paripurani Saishwari Janani, Jagakarani Paripurani Saishwari Satya Swarupini Janani, Dharma Samrakshini Janani, Satya Swarupini Janani, Dharma Samrakshini Janani, 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 Satya Sai Shubha Janani, 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 Shanta Swarupini Janani, Prema Pradayini Janani, Shanta Swarupini Janani, Prema Pradayini Janani, 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 Satya Sai Shubha Janani, Janani, Satya Sai Shubha Janani, 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 Satya Sai Shubha Janani. Prem Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. I grew up listening to this Sai Bhajan, and Janani for the children here means the universal mother, God of everybody, mother of everybody. And the song is asking, you are the love, you are the truthfulness that everybody needs. Come into my life. Tonight we enter into Ganesh Puran again, Kridakan, Book 1. And we're going to hear a little bit about this Vaman form and Ganesh Baba. It is a discourse that shows where Lord Vishnu, in order to be successful in his undertaking, is a tricky katha. To be successful, he has to pray to Ganapati Baba. He learns from last night's discourse where Lord Shiva charged. You feel you are powerful, and he goes and engages the enemy, and he loses. Lord Shiva last night in his discourse, he didn't understand how he lost to the bad guy. But everybody is beaten and pushed back. And it's only when Narad Muni says, if you do not worship the man who removes the obstacles, you are going to face obstacles along your journey, along your endeavor, along your whatever you get yourself into. Tonight, we are going to continue in that prayer as our Sumiran that Lord Shiva creates. The stotra where the 1,000 names of Ganapati Baba is chanted. Put your hands together, Anjali Mudra. Tonight, for those of you online, if you missed last night's discourse, these stotra exist for some forms. Ganesh, Devi, Vishnu. Shiva Baba has one. But this one, Lord Shiva, is chanting this prayer, calling on the various powers, the forms of Ganapati Baba. We will do a couple. As we work up now, at the Anant Chaturdasi, the day when Ganesh Brat is going to conclude, when he has to return, we start a chant prayer that removes the troubles. Dear Ganesh, please hear our prayer. Remember, say your prayer whilst I'm saying this one. Mahaganapati Buddhi Priyayaha Shipra Prasadanaha Rudra Priyogana Uma Putro Agyana Shanaha Kumaro Gururi Shanaputro Moshakvahanaya Siddhi Priyaha Siddhi Patiha Siddhya Siddhi Vinayakaha Avigna Stumba Bhuraho Simha Vahano Mohini Priyaha Katan Kato Rajaputraha Shakalaha Samito Amitaha Kusumanda Samasam Shambhur Durjo Jayaha Bhupatir Bhuvanapatir Bhutampatir Ravaha Vishyakarta Vishwa Amukho Vishwa Arupo Nidhana Guna Kaviha Kavim Narasbhyo Brahmanyo Brahmavita Priya. Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai. We just did verse 5 to verse 9 of the Sahasranam of Ganapati Baba. In this section of Ganesh Puran, we enter where there is a fella by the name of Raj Bali. But in order to understand who Raj Bali is and why he's troublesome, to understand how Ganesh Baba is working tonight to help Lord Vishnu, you have to understand his lineage, his family. It starts off with the guy called Kashyap Muni, one of the sons of Brahma. He has different wives. He's told by Brahma, he's given different girls, 14 girls in total, 2 of which, Aditi and Diti, is our focus tonight. Aditi says there is a time, because Brahma says you have to populate the world now with different forms of life. part of what we just said, you are the Lord of all the boot. Boot is not only spirit, but boot also means like pashu, animal life. Another form of that word. Kashyap is the person who he's the father of Garud, where one of the girls made the form of life that comes from eggs. One of the girls made all the reptiles or serpents. Sheshnag, Taksha, who bites Parikshit in Bhagavad, the one who fights Krishna, Kalya in Bhagavad, Krishna discourse. All of them comes from these girls, the wives of Kashyap. These two girls now, Aditi and Diti, they want to become mothers too. So they tell the husband, in order to do your father's bidding, to do what we were instructed to do, to get into the family way, we have to take a little break from some of these prayers that we are praying for ourselves. And we have to make time to copulate as husband and wife, to come together and reproduce. So Kashyap Muni decides in the first part of the discourse, and it is important to our life today, to explain to these two girls the rules of reproducing. It sounds strange, but consider what he's about to tell them. There's a time when it is appropriate for husband and wife to come together. What happens if you come in an illegitimate time, in an inappropriate time? Diti is asking this question. And he tells her, if a person breaks the rules of, let's say, conception, now we are only talking about coming together for sexual reproduction purpose to make children, not to enjoy husband and wife time. The child that is conceived in ill time or inappropriate time, born very confused. One of the definitions of Kali Yuga is that you will see a higher propensity of people that seems as if they are lost. So he tells them, listen, it is a sin when a woman wants a husband for copulation, for sexual reasons, coming together reason, and the husband does not make time for their marriage or for their wife. But in it, the person must learn how to follow the tenets or the dharma of married people. There's a time, there's a way, there's a place, there's a prayer even guiding this whole procedure. The prayer, in a nutshell, just as you have Viva Sanskar, the wedding ceremony, just as you have Anteshti Sanskar, the funeral ceremony, when this young couple is ready to copulate, to have children, Garbha Sanskar is done. In it, husband and wife sit just like we have today, puja going on, in auspicious time. And when it is finished and it is time for man and woman to come together, the husband puts his hand on her belly and lower region and prays, dear God, in this area, let me say the word machine, the womb. In this machine, a child we are praying for children. Please make sure that the tenor, the personality, the persona, the things this child will like. Let me just see, just for our conversation, for children to understand, the amount of pepper in the doubles. Just an example, but understand what I mean. Temper, patience, sleep habit, health, the amount of blood, red blood cell, white blood cell, the genetic problems that some people might have, mental problems that some people might have. Please allow this encasing, this machine, to make a good child in every sense of the word. In this way, the husband that is selected in the Viva Sanskar is the person now who has the opportunity and the permission to touch that region of the girl's body. And with the prayer that Guru will give, their mantras faith, the person prays that what is about to happen in this coming together, let us reap the type of reward we want to have. So in Hinduism, I believe we did it here, I'm not sure, the discourse to tell you how. Think what I tell you there. Hinduism do agree with this statement. Baba will, coming from the heels of last night's discourse when we talk about children. Baba, you make your children boy, but you make them mine. Hinduism doesn't agree with that. If we go into the discourse that deals with the development of children, there's a prayer that people say, I want to have a child like Krishna, a stotra. In the prayer, the Payo Vrat, or the prayer that is related to this, the mother that is praying for Vaman to born, she's doing all these prayers we're talking about. And she and the husband is doing this prayer that I want a certain type of child. So what did she, in the discourse, she asks, what do you mean certain type? We talking for this duration. Last time we talked about Ekadasi. Today is called Dwadasi. Dwadasi means 12th day in the moon feast. According to Hinduism, if a person wants to become pregnant with a girl child, husband and wife come together 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, after, let's say, the full moon on towards the new moon, the odd days will bring girl. The even days, the 2nd day, the 4th day, the 6th day, the 8th day will bring the reward of a boy child. In the text it says, if you want a short-tempered boy child, conceive on the 2nd day. If you want a politician or a child, a girl, in my example, a girl, each day has a feature, character, off the top of my head I say. If you want a girl that is very brave, very outspoken, she is as if she's a boy in a girl body in terms of braveness and speech. Come together on the 5th day. If you want a child, a boy child that is very athletic, very brave. Let's say you want, I am a how you call them? A soldier. I belong to the military family. And I want my son to follow in my footsteps. So I do not want a coward, to be frank. Come together on the 8th day. And the child that is born, they will born with a posture where the chest is up front. The child is ready to willingly to get up and see who is in front, and very mannish, strong. A different type of character. The parent, just follow what I'm saying, for the parent that have more than one child here tonight. If mother and father genes, the blood, is not changing, if there is nothing else, there's no other ingredient, mother and father come together, but the first child one way, the second child one way, the third child one way, fourth child different health, height, hair, behavior, likes, don't like. If all of we are made from the same place, shouldn't we like the same amount of pepper in the doubles? But one go tell him, Mommy, I don't like curry. The next one go say, I can't eat curry. Mommy, I want the roti cut up. I want the roti big. I like fat roti, I like thin roti. And it seems it have a little variation in a fixed recipe. If it is only male and female, where does this variation come from? In science today, the phenotype for the color of the eye, the length of the hair, the texture of the hair, everything is mapped out. And you could account for that variation. The father and mother could check what the father have, what the mother have genetically, and say, okay, before that child born, that child will be tall like the father, height comes from the mother, this color, this behavior, this propensity comes from the mother's side, meaning sickness, etc. All of that. But tell me the behavior where it comes from. Hinduism has the explanation that if you want, for example, a religious child, if you want a patient child, come together on the Chaturdasi night. That is, in this case, in this fortnight, Saturday night. Where the moon will be in that, Friday into Saturday, sorry. In that whole section now, that is the coming together. We talk about the prayers, the baby done forming, 3 months, 6 months, 8 months. We talk about all of that. Let's enter where one wife, Aditi, listen to everything husband said. She take like a little more, take out a little part and write down all the way husband guiding you. You want to make the best cake? Follow this recipe and these rules. Make sure and don't open the oven halfway. The cake might drop. You would not like the outcome. Okay, and she wrote it down and she took notes. preparing herself, cleansing her body, doing everything, praying before, and really taking to this copulation time as if it was prayers, because I want the right child. Diti, on the other hand, is very lusty. She is in a different state, and she goes behind the husband. And let's hear what she tells the husband, because this is trouble. Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam, 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 Jai Sam Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam, Jai Sam Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam. दिति पर ये कश्यप ये पतिव्रत शिव शिवम लोक ये याति वैकर चैवा चत्वारत तत् पर यापि संयाते जय भोले बाबा तब शरणम जय बोले बाबा तब शरणम जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम सदा शिव तब शरणम. Prem Subalo Mahapati Mahadeva ki Jai. This is a, trust me, every pundit read this for you already. Diti, Aditi is the one who make Lord Vishnu and different devtas. That is what she come in with. Her children will be those called the Suras. Diti, is this other sister, and she make all the Asuras, all the demonic people. So at the very get of our discourse here tonight, how is it some people good, prone like good things, and some people, when, let me just say, Baba come on the TV, the satsang, on the TV home, nobody are watching you, some people attracted to it, and some people want to hear it. For example, with this pundit coming with now, and it have some people change, go in the temple, It is as if something is pushing you out. That is the definition. When we say Asura, the Asura is referencing somebody that has a light in them, or somebody is missing this light. So when Diti now, she went to the husband, and I want you to understand this, because sometimes they just rush this part of the discourse, and it is here the demon and the deity, the Devta and the demon fighting. What were they fighting for? How you could end up, if God make everybody, how you end up with bad people? She went and she tell the husband, listen, Pativrat, doing your duty as a wife is to satisfy your husband. I understand that. That is the job I take up. As a wife, that is part of my jurisdiction. That is my role. And when I do my duty and please you in every way, I get blessing. But, oh husband, don't forget, you have to please me too. In this dharma, sexual reproduction is nothing bad. We push and we encourage the natural order of two people coming together to propensate life and a population. She says that if I, as a woman, have my husband, that is the person I go and I tell you if I'm hungry, if I'm in need of something, and you are the person to help me satisfy that desire. For that reason, I'm in a helpless state. I cannot focus, and I want to come together regardless of the rules, regardless of the time. There are times when you cannot come together in the night, you cannot come together in the day, depending on the day. Those rules too intricate to get into right now. But just as how some days, as we said earlier, it have days good to make the shed, the roof, it have days not good for that. People in this way, because just as you contact your endocrinologist and you talk to your gynecologist, we want to start a family, what should we do? When would I be fertile? When would I be able to conceive? With that same mature conversation, people have that same conversation with their guru, truthfully. Panditji, this is our desire. Could you guide us? When would be the best time for us? Is there a mantra for us to achieve even this too? With that guidance, people go ahead and start their family. Diti, on the other hand, is throwing away all of that guidance. All the husband is saying, ignores the husband. And he tells her, are you sure you're going to pay for this? I am not responsible. I guided you. I told you the truth. You know the truth. You want to throw it away. When you get what you are looking for, how you, literally in this example, when or how you sow, is so you go reap. Kali Yuga, in a different text in Padma Puran, is explaining that because of the uncontrolled lust, you will see vice. You will see vice in a way, rape on the rise. People will want to sleep with the dead. People will want to rape animal. People will want to have asexual reproduction, gay, homosexuality, transsexuality. And in that discourse, explaining where that comes from, and God make everybody Baba, true, God does make everybody. Hinduism doesn't run from it. When you hear in Ramayana, they talk about the Kinnaras, the Gandharvas, the different heavenly beings. One of those forms is people who, men, I'm saying it, men who identify as women and they dance on the street. There's a whole Ramayana behind it, the Hijra Ramayana. When in that Ramayana, Sri Ram is getting ready to go further into the forest, when he tells Sumant, okay, everybody have to go back. He opens his mouth in that section and he says, every man, every woman, you have to go back to Kaushal. You have to go back to Ayodhya. Okay. And they went on the boat and they crossed and did whatsoever. 14 years passed. And when they're coming back, according to the Hijra Ramayana, not Tulsidas, when they're in the Pushpak Viman and they're passing, they see a little camp right where they were, where they sent back everybody. So, Shri Ram, Sita Mata come down. And Sita says, what are you doing here? Why are you all here? And those men that are dressed like women say, well, Ma, the king said, every man and every woman, but we are neither man nor women. So we stayed here waiting for Sri Ram to pass back. For this reason, Sita gives them a blessing that when it have wedding, when your child is making baby and so on, and you see they come to dance, you will give them a good luck. In Hinduism, for those people that go in there, you will see people in this community come and meet you by the traffic light and they'll want to jar you, you, bless you. If it have a wedding and you open the door and they come, you see that Hana drum you display? That is one of the places that drum is played. These women go, like how our village women would go when they're going for Matikor and they are playing the drum and they go sing. This is where the dancing part came into our prayer. It is these ladies that used to dance. And when they're dancing, they'll come around and they'll pass their hand. You ever see people do it so? And they pull and they unche the hair to take away nazar. Hinduism really doesn't have prejudice. It has an understanding that you are different because you were made in bad time. If somebody asks, why is my child going through this, is a rough conversation to have. Where did I go wrong? Did I give them the wrong vitamin? Did I give them something to eat? I am not gay. My husband definitely not gay. Where did this come into my child? The confusion, start there. Confusion, not knowing what I like, what I should like, everybody telling me to like this, and I like something else. Look at it from the confusion side. And there the Hindu says, when mother and father copulate in this inauspicious time, that confusion in different ways, not only in sexuality, but in different ways, follows the child. It walks with the child. And this is why in Kali Yuga you will find it is on the rise, where all of this community is ballooning. It shows that it is linked to the type of sexual deviant and the sexual behavior that is very popular now. If I tell people in Hinduism before honeymoon start, you have to pray, people would watch me like I'm mad. If, follow me aunties, for all the older heads here, when people used to keep on kangan and sleep with mother-in-law when they're now married, and the mother-in-law teaching and caring for the girl child, when they're now married, you tell a young girl do that now, it would seem ludicrous. How you could do that? In that simple example, look at the change in time. Look at how it used to be. It was there, it established in Trinidad. People used to get married and the girl crying and she different, she in a different place, she can't sleep, and motherly love would receive she first. This is where the practice of the daughter-in-law in front of the hearse when the mother and father go in. And you see that lotta of water they pouring? When I came to your home and you accept me as a daughter, you give me something sweet to drink. No, you're going, I don't want to owe you. When the neighbor sending live tomatoes in the basin, you're sending back to sweet pepper, whatsoever, me owe you. When the pundit do prayers for you, Baba, me and you in the crowd are sitting there. I hear something, I put in the dollar in the terrier. Babs, may I want to owe you for your knowledge, where you teach me? Take that, Krishna Arpan. In the same way, when the mother-in-law come and receive you and she accept you, remember father emulating Dashrath and Ram? Father and son went and married wherever. It's only when the lady accept you, if she be alive by that door, you become daughter-in-law. Now it's time for them to go. The girl is saying, let me just pay you back. I wish you easy passage on the road. So, watch how we just get confused. If you have 4 daughters-in-law and you did 4 weddings, how much of them supposed to put water in front of the house? Only let the big girl do it. So what about the other 3? Them may go Oshi. Understand what I'm saying there? Work with that, ladies. If somebody do something for you, what you do for you, you have to repay yourself. And that is why that is done. Prem Sabolo Adi Shakti Mata Ki Jai. She did not want to hear anything. This is a person who is hell-bent on having their way. Similar to what you hear about now. Me, I want to know what them pundit had to say. Me, I want to do the prayers. My body, my life. However, forget sexual problem. Look at how many children are born today with ADHD. Body problem. Imagine, watch how we birth rate going for everybody here. Everybody grandmother could have made natural. Same body, same bone, same genes. 25 children, 15 children. Woo! Long time when you have prayers, you had cousin like that. Now, you're lucky if you have 1 cousin. So the birth rate cutting down. Same genes, same mother and father. It explains why we hear is this texture, but somehow the birth rate is dropping. Now, in we country Trinidad, you have children going to school. Last night we had the new principal for Mohes Hindu. She could tell you, every child cannot sit down and just listen and learn from the board. The same child, the government has to hire aid. For parents who don't know, they have to hire aid for that one child. So you have a teacher for in front to teacher in like long time. And now you have a personal attendant for that child. Babe, come back. Babe, watch the board. Write your notes. Come on, do your work. How come so much of that is happening now? People are doing prayers. We have more Ganesh, more puja, more temple, more prasad sharing, more affluence, more money. But somehow things are not going right in we home. That multi is to remove the trouble, but the decisions that you and I make is bringing in the trouble in the first place. If our yag have a purpose, this is why it's called Gyan Yag, so that you get the knowledge, so that you do it to your best, your life. People say live right. This is an example of living and doing it right. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki jai. From her belly. So she does what she does, and she does conceive, she's pregnant, and they're doing prayers, man. They're doing all the prayers. And who does she bring into the world? A twin. Hiranyaksh and Hiranyakashipu. When you have a twin, for parents here, those of you looking on, people celebrate, we get 2 popo. That is true. Very good. My sister have a twin. Very good. If you did not know this, there's an Upanishad explaining how God is choose which soul to go in twin. Twin is not a blessing. Twin is a ticking time bomb. Depending on the twin, one will always, if you know twin, one watch it, you're going to see what I'm saying. Worse if it's a triplet. One is always be stronger. One will always be weaker. One does be healthy, no allergies, etc. The other one does be kind of weak. The other one does be lucky. One of the verse says the person has all the luck. That one got married first. That one could win in the playway. That one could get anything. They will achieve a job, salary, etc. And the other one, lazy, don't care, damn, don't care. Yeah, well, it fall, they let it fall. Now, man, we could deal with it. A different type of temperament. When now it is time for them to marry, you have problems depending on if it is identical twin or non-identical, it depends. Meaning, if they are living far from each other, you will hear one twin saying, my skin scratching me at a distance. When one have pain, the next one feeling it. Think about you for yourself, by yourself. If I eat something, I know what I put in my mouth, I'm accountable for that, just as an example. But suppose now I'm in such a way that other person could interfere with me, my peace of mind, my sleep, my ability to be healthy or not. It is something called Yamal birth. When, just as we hear, a child is born in bad time, when you have twin, there is a prayer called Gaumukh Pravesh that the mother and father do to prevent premature death. Please remember that. This lady does all of that too. Hiranyaksh is the older one. He's smaller in size. He's the weaker one, but he's the smarter one. Hiranyakashipu, which we know these names, so this is nothing new to you. He is the giant. He's loud, but he's not 200%. He's not as bright and cunning as his brother. These two brothers are formed, but the mother, like any mother you could imagine, always is doing her prayer, always is doing, for example, we talk about the Shashti Puja, all of that. But no matter what she is doing, these boys are very wicked. They learn the prayers, their father is very knowledgeable. Let's hear what happens. Shiva Om Shakti Om Hari Om Narayanaya Krishnaya Paramatmaya Namo Namah Narayanaya Krishnaya Paramatmaya Namo Namah Hiranyaksh Putam Madhavakta Mama Pradi Priyam Ye Brahma Shashire Pati Hiranyakshapu Shrapyatam Narayanaya Krishnaya Paramatmaya Namo Namah Narayanaya Krishnaya Paramatmaya Namo Namah Paramatmaya Namo Namah Paramatmaya Namo Namah. She grows them up. Go by your father and learn the prayers. Go by your father and learn the prayers. And whatever you endeavor into, that prayers will protect you. That song, just like me and you. That song just like Aditi telling her children that have an inclination for good things, patience with older people. When somebody say good, what is good? Somebody could be good because they just do good for you. Think what I say in the government win the election, once they give me a bigger pension, they're good. But they could be not good. They could be illegal. The person could be a good businessman. The person could be a good husband. It is like Rawan, he bring in mandatory real gifts, but he engaging in unrighteousness. These two mothers become blind. They know their children, and the only thing they could teach their children is to protect yourself. Take the prayers, take the food, eat. What you become, I'm not accountable. I can't say. I leave it in the hands of God now to guide your destiny, to guide your foot and your hand, to find the right way. But I as a mother could only feed you. What your body do with the energy, that is a different thing. When I give you the prayer, what you pray, what God bless you, where that blessing take you in the exam room, for example, that is out of my hand as a mother. So the two mothers did the same thing. Follow your father, do the prayers. When he says swaha, you say swaha. Hiranyakashipu is the one who becomes more violent. And we know that character. He is the one who ends up marrying a girl that has a son named Prahalad. In that discourse, sometimes people just want to know how come a sinful fella could have a good son. His wife was very pregnant. And in that discourse, so now Hiranyakashipu, the people's son now, Diti's son, she is full pregnant. The book says very ripe, 8 months, thereabout. And the Devatas, Indra and others are afraid, because if Hiranyakashipu is so deadly, if he is so, no mercy, he killing man, woman, child, it have nothing called mercy in this man. And that child is coming, he gonna be more relentless. So Indra attacked the city with the intention to kill the unborn child. Narad says, don't do it. If you attack that child, you will get the sin, Indra. You're so stupid, man. You always just get yourself in trouble. Don't do that. The mother is a very critical piece of weapon. If tuned properly, she could do her work. He says, wait, let me show you the power of influence. When Indra and all others, Agni, everybody is burning the palace of Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyakashipu ran. He abandoned the city to get away, run for his life. But the wife is left unguarded in the palace. Narad Muni came and he says, please come with me. I will save you from those ruffians. Come, come. Taking the word, she goes with him. But in the ashram where Narad Muni is residing, he is only singing Narayana, Narayana. And he is teaching her and singing for she to hear the prayers, the stotra of Lord Vishnu. Prahalad is the person who is in her belly absorbing all the sound waves that are hitting the mother, the prayers, the things that she is saying. By the company that she is keeping, that positive energy started to imbibe inside the child. So now, even if the genetics in the flip now happening, if the father is the worst person, it is possible to get a different outcome with the child. Imagine somebody say, well, your father is drink rum and roll in the drain. His son go drink rum and roll in the drain too. But it don't have to be that. Prahalad is a case of that as an example. When the child come now, as you know the story, Prahalad is talking and singing throughout the village, Achutam Keshavam, and he's singing for all the cousin and them, and all of them watching him like, your father kill you? How you could be telling people that the greatest man is Vishnu? Your father saying he's the greatest man, he's the God of everything. And you know the story, they tried to kill him, they tried to burn him, they tried to harm him, the whole thing with Holika. And then Lord Vishnu takes the form of Narsingh. Till today, when people chant the prayer that when Narsingh don't destroy the father, And Narsingh was so angry and out of control, no Devta couldn't go and calm him down. Brahma coaxed Prahlad, go. Your words, your sweetness, your prayer is the only thing that could calm him. And Narsingh held on to Prahlad. And in the prayer, the stotra that I am referring to, when people have black magic, when you hear people talk about the person's body rotting, any type of spiritual attack, they go behind Narsingh worship. When you hear people taking rock salt mixed together with ghee to do havan, for that form, the fear, remember we talk about fasting from salt, sharing salt food to overcome fear. When you offer it in the fire, whoever is attacking me, whoever is causing fear, Narsingh Baba, I come like Prahlad, destroy the enemy, destroy the attacker, and you take care of me. Prahlad went and he see him and he begging him, and what Narsingh didn't want to hear, how come you saying prayers for these people? These soldiers who are come to destroy, these people was killing you just now. Now you're praying for them. Now you want to help them. And in the back of Prahlad, the nail, the heat of Narsingh is cutting him. That form, it took a form of Lord Shiva to get rid of that Lord Vishnu form. The other brother, Hiranyaksh is a little smarter. He's less brutish than his brother Hiranyakashipu. And when he went to have children, he prays for powerful children. He prays that they must be smart and know who to fight, when not to fight. Hiranyaksh makes a son by the name of Virochan. Virochan's son, when Virochan died young, and this is where this Vaman has to come, Bali. Bali is the grandson of that same Prahlad. Bali is born into this family. From Prahlad, he learned. Imagine your father died young, so your Aja now becomes your teacher. He becomes like your pseudo father. And what did Prahlad teach him? Listen, we are demonic people. We have our way, we have our focus of ruling this earth. But the only way you are going to be protected, you have to be very close to Lord Vishnu. And you will be able to overcome all the emissaries, all the attacks, anything that comes in front of you. Oh grandson, Prahlad told him, this is the prayer. This is how to do it. So Raj Bali is the person. There are many discourses with him. And you hear Lakshmi Diwali time when they churn in the ocean and Lakshmi Mata comes back out. When the bowl with the Amrit comes, who receives the bowl? Raj Bali is the man who is in charge of the demons, the bad side. And the ability to figure out how to coax, how to get them to give up the Amrit comes from the blessing of Ganesh. Lord Vishnu had to beg how to overcome this. They're taking the Amrit. If all the demons become immortal, we will never win them. In that katha, the demon Rahu went and drank the Amrit. When the Devtas and them sharing this Amrit, like how we share in that Shaligram water, Rahu is a very bad person. And he went and he sit, like let me say we sit on the floor to eat chana and aloo. He went and he sit between the moon and the sun, Chandrama and Surya. And when Chandrama said, look, he's not supposed to be here, he's working with Bali, he's on that side. When Lord Vishnu lego the Sudarshan Chakra, he cut him here. But the Amrit had already went down. So when Pandit is doing the prayer in the Navgraha or the 9th planet, 7, let me say 8 and 9 of the 9 is the lunar and solar eclipse. It isn't a physical planet, representing Rahu and Ketu. Because of the Amrit, they have to give him a high position now. You will be in charge. If Rahu interferes with the child will get suicidal. For example, the brain, the person starts to think about drinking the poison. Vaman is called after this whole scenario. Bali is somebody who prays properly. He is somebody, if he is walking, the verse says, verse 30 of Ganesh Puran, if the person is walking, if he's eating, if he's getting dressed, if he's having shower, just like in the wedding when they bless the clothes, Lord, before he put on clothes, he used to call Lord Vishnu, please bless this. protect this. In this way, no matter if Lord Shiva come to fight him, because they are fighting the devatas and he's always winning, nothing seems to break the rank of Bali. So much so that when Indra and Bali fall out one last time, Bali takes up the whole heavenly region and he wants to interfere with who is getting the share from the Havan when Yag is going on. When you say Swaha, Indradev, Swaha, Bali doesn't want to interfere. He does not want them to get it. They will get more powerful. So Brahma goes to Lord Vishnu and he tells him, you have to interfere. You have to destroy this fella. If you don't destroy him, this bad trajectory we're on, the world is going to suffer. Let's hear what happens in this slok. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana. Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana
Hari Bol.
Sakshiye Nayatam Sharanam Yayapal Vamanye Yayati Ganeshwarayatam Hari Pratnayatam Madhaye Hayate Mandalye Nayati Sadaye Ayatam Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
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 Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha
Ramana Hari Bol. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. Raj Bali is too firm in his prayer. He does not stop, he does not deviate from his belief that everything I am doing, Lord Vishnu has to bless it, Lord Vishnu has to touch it. But he does not respect the other forms. There are some people feel that God is only in this form. And as you are seeing, there's an interpolation. There's all God is really one. When Lord Vishnu bows to Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu gets his Sudarshan Chakra. When Lord Brahma is made by Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma bows to Lord Vishnu. So everybody at some point in our illustration in text shows a dependency on the support of the different energy to get through with something. Lord Vishnu tells Brahma, I do not know how we will do this. I am in a trap. This is the discourse where Lord Vishnu says, I become a slave for my devotee. He is praying to me for protection. I will be the person to destroy him. If I take a form to go and fight, how will I raise one hand to harm the man when the same hand is blessing the man? How could I do it? You have to solve that for me. When we did the Tulsi discourse and we hear how they distract she so they could kill who Sudama born back as Shankachod, so Pandit tonight have his sung. Narad Muni Brahma says the only person who could unravel this mystery is Ganesh Baba.
He is the God of wisdom. If knowledge is how to make the prasad, put 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of pumpkin, whatsoever in your prasad. Wisdom is when you literally say something is wrong. Wisdom is literally say, I, Keshva, who I know about prasad, raise the heat too much. Think what I said. Or I drop the heat, not enough, and it's too wet. Or I put too much salt in the curry aloo, whichever one you understand. Wisdom, how to fix the problem, how to troubleshoot the problem. Baba, you see for that too much salt you put in that thing, let me put some aloo, let me put some tomatoes, and it will balance the pot. Wisdom is knowing something, but knowing how to regurgitate, how to pull back the knowledge you have to fix the problem that is presenting itself. When a person could use the knowledge they have, that person is considered wise. Knowledge, liquid Lakshmi is milk. Follow me? Why do you offer milk? Liquid Lakshmi is milk. This is why Lord Vishnu kept the milky ocean for himself. He says, this is my wife. When the person goes to bathe Ganesh, when we are closing off the year, and they are offering the Lakshmi, I know whom I have to pay some debts. I'm going to invest in some peas. I want my peas and my ginger to come good. Lakshmi Mata, how I offer, bless me with that barakat. Wisdom. The person is going to use what they know to benefit or to help save themselves from trouble. Prem Sabolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan Ki Jai. There's a long explanation of Payovrat. How same Aditi had now this form of Mahavishnu comes based on what Ganesh Baba tells him. He says, take a form that is very mild and use wisdom to conquer him. He's a blessed person, and for the karma that he has attained, he will have to reap that reward. You and him are going to remain very close. He is not going to be destroyed like Hiranyakashipu. If you go with force, you are correct, Vishnu. You will not beat him. You will end up the loser in that fight because of your own prayer. Your own blessing will beat you. So powerful is the prayer of a good devotee. So this time, take form. Go through Aditi, who knows the art of praying, conceiving, and making good children. For this reason, she prayed. Lord Vishnu appears and he says, I'm so pleased with you. On this Vaman night, she makes the baby, that is the dwarf. Physically, somebody is born differently abled. A child sometimes missing a limb. A child is missing an eye or some feature of the body. You go look at it and say, bad. Somebody might laugh at the child. When Hanuman was around the friend, when you hear about the brothers of Hanuman, they laughed at him because he had the cleft palate. Remember, Mahavir Swami's name is not Hanuman. He's called Hanuman because of this cut, the teeth in your mouth. Sometimes it looks pretty, it looks like a monkey, but he's deformed because of the thunderbolt. Hanuman's teeth is not like me and your teeth down like this. His teeth are jagged like this because the whole cleft is as if somebody take a knife and cut butter. All the roof of the mouth. He does not talk properly. If the tongue can hit the roof of the mouth, his words will not sound properly. So when people in today's world, people are born like that. They call them the child of Hanuman, for example. But even in that instance, we worship the man. We do not elicit or harm or hurt people because of deformity. Hindu looks at it and say you're different because of karma. There's a reason for it. But when you say Hanuman, Gariman, there are 4 brothers for Hanuman. And they got licks, they got shrap because they were laughing at Hanuman. This Vaman is a dwarf. He is very short and stocky. It is as if he doesn't have a neck in his description. But the mother, knowing who was inside the body, she loves her child. When we were discussing what is a mother, how is she made in the eyes of Ganesh, the ability to love and to have patience with what nobody else have patience and love for, a true mother could have that. In this way, this lady does not rob her child. She allows the child to go through the ceremony of Nam Sanskar. Chodakarma Sanskar, the first eating, where they bless the food, and you will see the father mash up the grain and rice. That is the prayer. If you ever saw it, they do the baby part. And in the Hawan Kun, after they do the Hawan, this is done till today. Around 6 months, when the child calling for more than milk, they would cook a little sweet rice with mantra in the Hawan Kun, a pot, in the fire. Sweet rice, they put the ghee, they put the dahi, they put the milk, and they turn it. From that, mommy will fish out one grain, the daddy mashing it up with prayer, and the child is allowed to suck. That grain bless the tongue, bless the throat. We don't want colic, we don't want vomiting, we don't want choking. Bless the esophagus, bless the stomach, out the butt, bless the whole system to work properly. He did all of that. He allowed every sanskar for the child, cutting the hair when the child made the first year, when the child was of the 5th year, to tie the janev. Why do you tie the janev? The person is called Dwij after, twice born. Every sanskar takes off sin from the person. This string that the pundits wear, watch it good, Hanuman is wearing too. Hanuman is not a Brahman. Hanuman is not even human. We just get so much of things confused. Ram is not a Brahman, he's a Kshatri, but he has on his janev. So if the person thinks this string is what makes you a pundit, no. It is what takes off a certain amount of sin from you in preparation to be a pundit. In older times, when some women did not want to get married, where the word pandita, pujarin, swamini comes from, women were allowed to tie that string as well. But as time passed and the girl only wanted to get married and she's pushed off because of the influence of invasion, the practice of girl priests decreased till nearly stopped. Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai. This child is born and outfitted with all the prayers and all the preparation by the parents. Ganesh Baba is again the core prayer of Vaman. And he tells Vaman, on this day, go. There's a yag. Bali is doing yag, and he has made a promise that he will give any and everything, so much pride, that I have so much money, so long I've had the heavenly treasury, that I could give anybody anything that they ask for. Shukradev, the Guru, says, no, no, no. When they say line up, it's time to give the Dachina. It's time to give Siddha. But in these times, it wasn't what I wish to give you. The king says, anything you want, ask me for it, I'll give it to you. So imagine the little short fella is in the back of the line, he's coming up, ebbing closer to the king. Everybody is saying, I want 10 diamonds, I want 2 cows, I want to get married, I want to live in this city, please permit me a home. And the king is giving. His godfather, Shukradev, the planet Venus, is standing right there. But Venus, the man, Shukra, says, King Bali, you see that little fella in the line? Do not give him what he wants. Bad advice. Don't give him. If you give he what he wants, he's coming. That's a trap. That's danger. Take my advice. Heed my warning. He will ask you for something and it will cause the end. Let's hear what happens. Let's hear what happens in this part. After he gives him what he asks for, there's a prayer that will benefit us tonight. Pahi pahi Gajanana Parvati Nanda Gajanana Pahi 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 pahi
Gajanana Parvati Nanda Gajanana
Lambodar he Gajanana
Lambodar he
Lambodar he
Gajanana
Gajanana
Lambodar Gaj
Lambodar Gaj Vicharana Pahi 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 pahi
Pahi pahi Gajanana Parvati Nanda वेद दवणी ये चक्र ये तम जात जाता ये आती विष्णु विष्णु वेदितातम राजकुल ये आतम पाहि 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 पाहि
गजानना पार्वती नंदना गजानना.
Ganesh Baba, in the moment, it is as if he clouded the vision of the king. And when God had, keep playing. When God advice was coming to him, be careful. You see that recommend by it there? Disguised as a nice pundit, as a good person coming to ask you something innocently, watch out. The same person doesn't heed the warning, says you're stupid, hush your mouth. What kind of advice is that? You are my whole lineage from my grandfather, my father, everybody we talk about. You are everybody burn, we doing yag. I say I made the promise, I already gave my word that I'm going to give Dan. How you could tell me do not give that guy something? Let's hear what he says.
एकदन्ता गजानना
एकदन्ता गजानना
एकदन्ता गजानना
एकदन्ता गजानना
अनेकदन्तं गजानना पाहि 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 पाहि
गजानना पार्वती नंदना गजानना.
एक मन्वन्तर चैवातं येन तत्परये स्वामी आत्मा उग्र वैयलीला ये यज्ञफल ये यज्ञातं पाहि 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 पाहि
पाहि पाहि गजानना पार्वती नंदना गजानना.
What was the problem? Think was saying, God, are doing jug and you're bringing trouble? Are doing prayers and you're bringing trouble? If you do the prayers wrongly, it could have trouble. In his yag, all the preparation, see all the parsat, see all the decoration, but he only loves Lord Vishnu. He only has eyes, he only has belief in Lord Vishnu. So he breaks from the guidance. He doesn't believe in doing Ganesh. He doesn't believe in doing Dasdigpal. He doesn't believe in doing the triangle prayer. So that's Matrika. So he doesn't worship Ganesh Baba. So when you don't worship Ganesh Baba in a Yagya Shala, you will not get the pal. Yagya Dev and the Devi, the Shakti come together to give you the fruit. The child is called Yagya Pal. You are doing the prayer, the sacrifice. Yagya means sacrifice. I'm making this sacrifice for something. In his case as well. But it was not done properly. The order of mantras wasn't done. He would have a bedi, for example, and put the best lavish offerings, gold chains, cloth, name it, by the Vishnu Murti. But by the Ganesh, do not put nothing. Do not make an offering. Do not call the person. Just as we hear Daksh did it when he didn't call Lord Shiva, and it causes destruction. He is doing the same thing with Ganesh Baba for that reason now. Ganesh Baba clouds his vision. The same person that allows an individual to overcome obstacle is putting obstacle in his path. It never happened to you. You're doing prayers, an argument break out, something spoiled, something breaks, something lost, to throw off the prayers. Time is going, the prayers is not finishing in the right time. And the place, you hear somebody say, this place heavy, boy. Something wrong, the wedding going on and rain falling. And the old people had a habit, when you see that triangle, you want to chant, they see one way, the pot where it is blessed in the kitchen, they say empty the pot and turn it upside down. And they used to do a little offering by the fire when they're taking out the seed had for the fire in the kitchen, salt food. They would do that, and all of a sudden you see things change. For example, let's hear what happens with these people. Sachidananda Gajanana
Sachidananda
Sachidananda
Gajanana
Gajanana Nityananda Niranjana Pahi 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 Gajanana Bhaman Shrishti Parabhekyate Tam Trayparaye Hariye Yati Brahmana Ditti Pararaksha Raksha Pitam Labhaye Sundarayati Pahi Pahi Everybody Ekadanta Gajanana Ekadanta Gajanana Anekadantam Gajanana Anekadantam Gajanana Pahi Pahi Parvati Nanda Gajanana Parvati Nanda Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki jai. See it in your mind. Understand how the Lord works. When you commit karma, where even in your prayer deficient or in some way missing something, less than. Sometimes in the prayers things just go wrong. And you just wonder where God did. You just wonder what really happening in this funeral. Look at things going wrong. Look at confusion in this kitchen. Look at trouble by this baby. Oh my God. The value of Ganesh worship, for example. I see Vandana brother-in-law. Come knock a drum with me now. This king is standing there as if he's blindfolded like Ganesh Baba on our first night. Cannot see sense. He is in a haze. His attitude is that he must give. And when Vaman came, Vaman says, I just have a simple request. Could you give me 3 steps of land? He says, before you give me that, you are so cute, you are so innocent, I want you to give me a blessing. And it is there that the bali that you sometimes on the man hand right, the woman hand left hand side because of the Shakti. And you see the bali, it have rules with it. It starts here, it's called bali because this man requested Mahavishnu, please tie a string that will protect me, Raksha Sutra. This Raksha Sutra is the red represents the blessing of Vishnu, the yellow the blessings of Brahma. It is placed at the beginning of worship when the engagement of Vyas, your Pandit, has to start the prayer. Think what I say. If this thing is putting on your hand to secure your body, the integrity of your prayer, you'd have to tie one in the correct way. I as Vyas, you tie one for me. You're supposed to tie one for Purohit. So halfway through the prayers, accident, God forbid, don't happen, blocking us from continuing. You have to come back. You are tied to this Yagyashala. If you do that prayer properly, that is one of the reasons the Pandit cannot go and do funeral while he is doing your Yagya. There is an engagement. If somebody is saying otherwise, in today's world, in this Kali Yuga, pundits is telling you they could do anything. I could dance for your farewell last night, and I could dance in your funeral tomorrow. But there must be a right and a wrong. Sanatan Dharma does work with two words, Sauch Asauch. Pure, clean, and unclean. There's a clear definition of what makes us different from other branches of Hinduism. We are always trying to get purified. We are always bathing, going from unclean to clean, unclean to clean. Wedding, funeral, you name it. The child, somebody, always the dead man bathing too. So if there's a stipulated place of clean and unclean, how could you then mix in clean and unclean and go in different places and do different things, and you have this raksha in your hand? People know fully well you are sitting here with me tonight. If Baba sit down and he do the different beads mantra, as Friday is coming, pundits will be engaged in different type of hawan. I'll do some when I come, so that they could take the basma to make yantra to wear on their body, to give people to wear. The power has to come from somewhere. It comes from the mantra offered in the hawan. If you are doing that and you take your yantra and you go to an unclean place, let's say for example the funeral, it loses, because it is unclean, it loses the shakti of it. If that could become nullified or unclean, you and me can't come unclean. So the person wearing the sutra, you are telling the pundit, God protect you too. The pundit is sit on kush grass. The pundit is get chandan, protect the gates of your body, is going to start prayer. And then the pundit is tie this bali on the person's hand. Listen, when your Baba saying the prayers, Yena Bali Raj, he uses the name of this person to tie the Vishnu on your hand. Hence red. I don't know what purple means. It is a friendship bracelet. This is not that. The only thing that has value is yellow and red, as I've said. The red is the more potent one because of the history. The yellow came because somebody said, well, yellow is a nice color, it's associated with our decoration, and they put it in. But you do not have on that Raksha Sutra any linkage with Lord Shiva, for example. It has some rules there. Just as how the dwarf ties this on the hand of Bali, we tie it till today. I'm going to start my prayers. Baba will put a ring on my hand. Baba will put chandan on the gates of my body. And then he will tie this on my hand to engage the worship. Think about it. If I good forgetful, forgive me if I do it. Press pumping, pep, 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 halfway in the press. Hey, look, I forget to put on the kush grass ring in your hand. You're going to say, Baba, man, that's not as correct. It's prayers, yes, but it have a time for it. This is why you put on chandan when the prayer is going to start. Please remember what I'm telling you. So home side, you prepare properly for your prayers. Prem se bolo Shri Vishnu Bhagwan ki jai. After he did this and he tied the string on Raj Bali hand and the mantra Yena Bali Raj comes into existence. This is where you know the part. He puts, he stretches his body and he says, go ahead anywhere you want it. In Devi Bhagwat it says that Bali told Vaman only 3 foot and you can't build a hermitage in that. That's too, he said, don't worry. And when he accepts, he says, yes, take the 3 feet, according to Ganesh Puran. When he starts to grow and his body is expanding, it says that he comes to tell Bali more than what we accustom here in 1 foot take heaven, 1 foot take the earth and the Patal region, sorry. And the third one, he asks him where to put it. In this discourse, he says, Bhu, Bhua, Swa, my hip is here, my chest is in this lok, my head is touching Bhu, my foot is in Vaman, all the lower Patal, Sutal, Atal, all the different loks is mine. Where to put the last footstep? He says, put it right here. And when I sent Nicholas this morning the different forms of bhakti, when the person practices prayer, where they're like Hanuman, Padma Sevana, Padma, in any prayer, Padma means foot. I have to bow to the foot of the Murti. I want to serve. Sita Mata knows the toenail of Sri Ram because of it. That is my worship. Whenever I see my guru, I bow to his feet. Padma, say, I become a sevak. I become a servant to the foot of the Lord or my guru. In this way, Raj Bali, because of the Vishnu content inside him, the good in him, he says, put it here. And he bends his head. He's not fighting with bow and arrow. There's nothing like that. He puts the head down and he says, put it here. I surrender my body, my life, my existence to your foot. And when he puts the foot here, he does give up the life. He does die. The soul leaves the body. But where does Raj Bali go? Raj Bali goes to Patal to become the king. That is told, stay here. By that same Vaman, stay in Patal. Let me say a region where some sinful people go. One day I will come back because you did my prayer so good. I will still reward you. You will not burn, you will not be destroyed, but you will work for me. You will become my sevak. Remain here. And the last part of this Vaman discourse, when Krishna becomes free from Kans, Kans is dead, and the Vasudev, according to Bhagavad, 10 Canto, Vasudev had a big yag. He's getting older. His sons are, they're kings in their own right, done married and so on. Krishna and Balram came to look for Devaki and Vasudev. And Vasudev asking Krishna all type of questions. Let me feed your son. And Vasudev is doing everything to get blessing. And anything the father asks, Krishna giving Vasudev. He said, I never get to feed you when we doing the sanskar. Eat now. Who give the name to Krishna? Garg Muni. When Garg give you the food, I didn't get to give you the food. Let me feed you today. A hayag by my house. And Krishna as a big man sit down by father's foot and he let the father feed him. When the father finished, when they finished talk and the father wanted to go and talk to other people, Krishna and Balram go inside the house now to meet Devaki. Devaki did not want to see them. According to Bhagavad, she picked up different ways and different things and started to pelt them with it. Where you coming by me for? What you looking for this mother for? I am a wretched, cursed person. God give me a womb. We talk a lot about womb tonight. But I live to see my brother. We talk about Mamu the first few days in this jug. I live to see my brother stain the wall with the blood, the brain, the inside fluid of 6 of my children. I had to live inside a place. If me and you see a child take mess tools and mark the wall, we would one day clean that wall. To get rid of that, we might forget where they make the mess, the crayon, whatever. But the brother says, watch that blood on the wall and never forget your predicament. So she lives. Imagine the trauma. One child head bust there, one child head bust there, one child head bust there, and so she goes. 6, 7 child miscarried. That is the one who comes as Balram. 8 child born and evacuated immediately. Never get a breastfeed your child. So she says to him, what type of sinner is a mother that I live to see all my children? Everyone come and die. Everyone leave me. I never get to feed one of my children. But you crook, you bring back your Guru Sandapani Rishi, his son dead, you go on to Patal and you bring back that child. Your father asking you to feed him anything you want, you're giving everybody. But not this mother. This mother is a wretch. You go turn your back on me and you leave me to burn here. Don't come and kiss me, move, and she driving. Krishna and Balram, Ma, and they start to pinch and Mama Guy, pinch Mama Guy. Ma, what it is you want? Ma, what we could give you that could please you? She says, listen, this breast that God give me, it never serve a purpose. I want back my 6 children. And you could go to Patal and you do it already. Go to Patal and bring back my 6 children. I want to feed my children. And the 2 of them go. And they meet Raj Bali, who has been waiting Janam after Janam, Kalp after Kalp. Look, Krishna, come. Prabhu, how could I be of service? He says, I had 6 souls born before me. those 6 brothers, I want you to fetch them for me. This is your work. Go bring them for me. And if, for the person here who know Bhagavad, if you ever see a picture with a lady and she has babies all over her body, this is that discourse. Christian bring back as if they were, let me say, 6 to 7 months old. 6 children. And in that senior age, menopausal age, old age for children, milk start to flow from she body. And she feeds she 6 children. When the 6 children get that milk, they get the Vardhan to go to heaven. And Krishna says, oh Bali, you are now free. You have served me, you paid the length of time you wait for me to come. Imagine this is from Vaman. Then it had different avatar, Krishna, Buddha, Ram, different people come. You're waiting for me to come. Enough. Come home now. And for all the Vishnu Puja you do, Bali was then transported to Golok with Krishna. Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki Jai. Everybody put your hands together. Tonight I'm joined together with the Temple Ramayana group and I want to give them a little chance to sing 1 or 2 songs with us. But tonight, there's an Ashivad part that is chanted on the Vaman Jayanti. People do prayers today to get this blessing. That if I am making a mistake in myself, like how Bali did it, dear Lord, you have your way of teaching people lessons. Help me to be a better devotee. Bali is a devotee. He's there, he's doing prayers, but he could be better. Think about the person, Diti, who had Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyaksha, make children, Baba, but oh God, they come out like monsters. Tonight, the person who does prayer, chanting this Maha Ashivad part, gets the blessing that Ganesh Baba, just as he helped Vaman, Ganesh Baba give off wisdom, comes to the person and seeps into their body through good advice, good company, just as how the mother of Prahalad was surrounded by good, and the child hears this goodness and he grows with it looking for Mahavishnu. Tonight, pray not only for yourself, children, grandchildren. God, we are in a society of darkness. In this darkness, I believe that you are the light, that you could save what nobody, I don't see how. Hari Om. Say your prayers. Gom Mriga Kante Tam Pratama Ganapati Ahum Johati Vaman Vishnu Vaigho Marga Rudra Agni Swishkrita Rudharam Ivam Pashum Antardhatami Yatra Udito Hudito Tatra Rudra Paushan Abhimanyate Ashwa Sapne Dvitiyam Ganaraj Ganadipyam Vignaraja Ashtakam Punyam Hari Om Vidya Artanam Manavakyam Sakala Vidya Jatvam. If a person has a child, if a person is born differently abled, Yuva Vanam Yudhagho Pramod Mod. If you are depressed because of a failure in your body, if a part of your body is not working, dear God, tonight I put myself to you, Ganesh. Change my karma by listening to this discourse, the history, the holy history of Vaman. Tonight in our Yagya, tonight in this Ganesh Utsav celebration, for those of you looking on at home, dear God, you have seen it fit to give me the opportunity to practice Shravanam, to listen to this discourse. Abala Vridha Yuvana Yuvata Sarva Veda Paral Yana Artanam. Blessed is the person that gets this Ashivad, that if there is something blocking them, if there is something missing in them, outside of them, dear Mahavishnu, just as you prayed to Ganesh to get clearance, to get the inspiration sometime, how to solve the problem, how to work around a situation, Dear God, help me to solve my problems, to fix my problems, to talk a language that in the marriage I could fix it, in the relationship I could fix it, in the job I could fix it. Mangala mangalam vyad karakaha niroga nirupa dravya sadachara. Bless me to live good. Sadachara is to do the right thing in the circumstance, to do the right thing at the right time. Dear God, inspire me not to be overcome by laziness or lethargy, but Ganesh Baba, work in me and make me active. Activate the strength, the power in me. Give me the mindset to get up, to fight the inner demon that holds me back from becoming the better me. Give me the initiative to get up and do all that I have to do. With your support, Mahavishnu, I will do it. But sometimes to rise up, to make that step with confidence, I need your blessing. Argoya Ashivad Pat Abhi Riddhi Bhuya Adi Bhuvantu Manto Anugrahanto Vidya Arati Manvakyam Sakala Vidya Yata Prapti Yuvanam Udava Unati Prapti Manorama Manovikram Anusari Saubhagya Sumangal. God bless the parents that are fighting the fight, that are doing the prayer, but allow the children, allow tonight discourse to be a guide to them how to be the parent, not to focus on only being friend, to instill in this child, this young computer, this young machine, all the information. Garud Puran says for the person to achieve the form of Mahavishnu, to get liberation, one of the features is to be able to function independent, to learn to cook, to clean, to make good decisions. Varda Vyakyam Veda Pancharatha Agama Purna Itihas Dravidra Stotra Parayana. May all the stotra, may all the prayer, the agama, may it purify the person just by listening to the power of prayer. Ganapati Baba, sit on the mind of every boy and every girl, every parent, every spouse. Dear God, let us remember our pativrata. Please the husband. Husband, work for the wife. In this thing called sexual relation, understand your duty even in that instance. Don't marry only to make roti, married to make a home, to make a family, to do it the right way, to have respect for the other person. Bless me to have that insight and that belly to make those tough decisions, dear God. Sarvavasam stiti samohastanam Balam samasta lalita kala prapti Yuvatinam kala uchishta Ganapati van mayur paka siddhya artam Siddhya vinayak uchista vinayak Sindura vinayak Hiramba vinayak Lakshmi vinayak Om Yasya Bhatta Ashivad Pat Ashivad Ashwarya Lakshmi Anuragya in the form of Ashwarya Lakshmi. May all our children have that Lakshmi internally. Health, bless every organ, bless the blood count, bless the white blood count, bless the body, bless the marrow, protect them from all forms of any type of allergy, any type of infection. God protect them. Externally, give them manners, give them consideration, give them any type of positive ambition. Allow them to get up and work. Allow them to become the one to take the family to the next step, but make mother and father proud. Bless these children when they listen to this discourse, oh Vaman Dev. Just as you are a blessing and an upliftment to your mother and father, bless these children by the grace of Ganesh to always be a blessing to their home, to their family, to their kul, to their gotra. Sumangalam dirga sumangale putra putri pautra dhatri Ganapati Ashivad Vaman Dev Sakala Sampat Prapti Bhuvyad Bhuvantu Mano Anugrahitam प्रेम से बोलो श्री विष्णु भगवान की जय। आशीर्वाद पाठ, सुमंगले पाठ, शांति विष्णु भगवान की जय।
Tonight, as we conclude, we've spoken about a lot of things. Many of these things are hitting homes today, and parents don't know how to deal with it. Be very clear, Hinduism explains where difference come from. The difference truthfully comes from different karma. All, let us agree, all, everybody, the short, the tall, the differently abled, the person who aligns himself with one sexual way, the person who aligns himself in a different sexual orientation, all come from God. I, as a pundit, let me use myself. If you eating the chicken and the duck, it's wrong for me who different. I am different. I see things differently. It is wrong for me to watch you see the difference and hate you because of the difference. It is wrong if I say all people with this color skin better than somebody with a different color skin. It is wrong according to religion, chapter 12, Bhagavad Gita. If I say because I'm a here or how I pray, I better than you, you're wrong. God make everybody. This kata reminds you of it. Yes, it is different. Yes, everything, every start to finish, you can't compare pumpkin and chana and all. We're different. They're different. Different does exist. That variation does exist in God's creation. You don't have to look or pray the same way in order to be a child of God. Animals are child of God too. The environment in the same. This is why Hinduism is something you gain after many births. The person could see God in a dog, they could see God in a tree, they could bow to God any and every way. Not everybody could put God in the corner of their house or their car or their job or their drum and say, God, you live here, remain here. In the case of the Tasa drum when you're going to do the wedding, for example. Hinduism has a bigger, a more macroscopic view. Everything really belongs to God, not some. In your understanding of Ganesh, in your pursuit to understand in life, it have troubles, it have battles. And I want to become wise. I want to know when the struggle come and the trouble come, what to do. If somebody asks you, why you're worshiping your Ganesh? Is when you're faced with the difficulty, like with Starboy tonight, the dwarf, you will be inspired how to move forward, how to navigate this struggle. And without stress, without strife maybe, win the battle in front of you. Because sometimes in homes, beating doesn't solve every problem. Quarreling and cursing doesn't solve every problem. And what we learned tonight is sometimes maybe the right prayer might guide the parent to say the right things to reach in this child's mind. Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki jai. Tonight we finished what, 9 nights? I think so. Yeah. So we get in tomorrow night. I want to touch on the Visarjan. I'm saying it for everybody. There's a lot going on in our community, in our Hindu community. In the country, in the world, we are seeing people doing all sorts of craziness and it is causing confusion. So I want to touch on it tomorrow night. Tomorrow night we'll talk about what we are doing Friday night. Somebody call me and say why we don't do with Visarjan Sunday. It's full moon. Full moon is a good day. And a good day and bad day. That's a good day. But then, they will understand in your Hindu calendar, go man check it, it have something called Anant Chaturdasi. Just as how Diwali has a start day for the 5 days, it have a start day and it have a stop day. For convenience, many people, when we were doing the Chout discourse,
Many people started their Ganesh Utsav on the Sunday before. Sunday is a good day, but it is not the Chout day. Many people were digging dirt when it's not Chout in the Shravan month, July, August, when we went and collected the mud. How to collect it, we did all of this. The birthday of Ganesh Baba is that day. That is the day to start his prayer. The Chout day in the month of Bhadrapada. But if I do it before, imagine I come by here with cake 4 days before your birthday. It's not the same. 4 days after your birthday is not the same. So there are certain days you do certain prayer. And tomorrow night beside the Katha, we'll touch on what the Visarjan is, how does it look, and how we're going to improve our prayer this year in this Monday. We're going to get it more and more right as we walk towards our Ganesh. We're not going to make some of the mistakes that we've seen on television, and I'll explain why. Everything I'm saying is backed by a text so that you could learn and grow in the correct way. Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki jai. I hope you learned something tonight in this discourse. It is Vaman's birthday, it is our Lord Vishnu Avatar Day, it is Ganesh time, and how the two of them depended on each other to solve a problem. Walk away knowing a little bit more about your Vishnu or your Ganesh, whichever your memory will permit you to remember. Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki jai. Everybody, let's all stand as we do final arati, as we conclude tonight's session.
Sajam cha varti sanyuktam grahina yojitam mayam Deepam grihana devesham Trailokya timirapaham.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva.
Everybody,
Jai
let's sing together.
Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva. Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva. Jai Ganesh Deva. लठुवन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा, संत करे सेवा. लठुवन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा. जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश, जय गणेश, जय गणेश देवा. माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. जय गणेश देवा. एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी, चार भुजाधारी. माथे सिंदूर सोहे मूस की सवारी, मूस की सवारी. दुखियों के दुख हरत, दुखियों के दुख हरत परमानंद देवा. जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश देवा. माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. जय गणेश देवा. आंधन को आँख देत, कोरियन को काया, कोरियन को काया. बांझन को पुत्र देत, निर्धन को माया, निर्धन को माया. भव से पार करो नाथ, भव से पार करो नाथ, भजन करो तेरा. जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश, जय गणेश, जय गणेश देवा. माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. जय गणेश देवा. जो तेरा ध्यान धरे ज्ञान मिले उसको, ज्ञान मिले उसको. चोर तुझे और भला ग्याहू में किसको, ग्याहू में किसको. हे देवा कृपा करो, हे देवा कृपा करो, कष्ट हरो मेरा. जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश, जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा लड्डुअन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा संत करे सेवा लड्डुअन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश देवा
Om.
Together, everybody.
Tvameva Mata
च पिता त्वमेव
Tvameva Bandhuscha
सखा त्वमेव
Tvameva Vidya
द्रविडं
त्वमेवा
Tvameva
सर्व मम देव देवा
Tvameva Sarvam
मम देव देवा
Om Shanti
शांति
Shanti Hari Om प्रेम से बोलो महापति महादेव की
जय
पवन पुत्र हनुमान की
जय
श्री गणेश भगवान की
जय
श्री आदि शक्ति माता की
जय
वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की
जय
सत्य सनातन धर्म की
जय
Jai Jai Sitaram.
सीताराम एवरीबॉडी
जय सीताराम
सीताराम एवरीबॉडी
जय सीताराम